The 2015 World Cup, when Times Now pressed Dhoni at a media conference on when he will decide on quitting one format of the game, MSD made his intentions very clear that at this stage in his career, he is able to cope up with all the formats and is eager to lead India's title defence at the 2015 World Cup.
India skipper MS Dhoni has made his intentions clear. He wants to lead India's title defence at the 2015 Cricket World Cup Down Under.
So as of now, it's looking good. The body is closely knit together. How it will be, I don't know, but so far so good.
Dhoni putting to rest all speculation about him retiring from one format of the game, as quitting ahead of the mega event will give a new captain less time to prepare.
In 2012, during the Australian tour, you'd mentioned that your body was tiring out and that you would look to leave a format of cricket. A year away from the World Cup, will this be the year where you take your decision?
I think it's a point of no return. The reason being, World Cup is literally 1 year away from now, and it won't give the new guy coming in, ideal time to, play 40, 50. At least, what you'd like is, people who have played like 70, 80 or 90 games getting into the World Cup. So they understand the pressure, because it's not always that, you turn up and at the same time, you get the kind of games which gives you more experience than some of the others. So you have to go through it. So as of now, it's looking good. The body is closely knit together. How it will be, I don't know, but so far so good.
Hectic schedule and disastrous defeats had Dhoni hinting at quitting one format of the game back in January 2012.
By 2013, I'll have to see where I stand when it comes to my body, whether I'll be able to survive, if for the 2015 World Cup.
But the immediate goal is to secure better results on the tour of New Zealand.
We have seen in the past also, if there's help, then we get 20 wickets. We make sure we get them. Our batsmen also score runs. Yes, there have been series where we have not, but that's one area we'll have to improve a bit. But looking at the lot of bowlers that we have got, definitely it seems that they have the potential to take 20 wickets to win test matches.
With Dhoni all set to lead the world champions to their title defence, the series against New Zealand will be the first step towards testing the waters. Sports Bureau, Times Now.